I don't think I need to go through the manual control and the automatic control, auto control. Those are something which everybody understands, right? So that's a portion. I mean, if you want, you can read through it. It's the initial portion, couple of pages. Just go through it if you want. So time lag. In the process control system, the term lag means any relationship in which some result happens after some cause. So for us, for example, lags around a simple temperature control loop would be output of the electric controller to the input of a valve. The output of the valve lag is the input to the process heat lag. So there is a time lag involved with all the processes, right? If I am telling the valve to open up, I send a signal to the valve to open up. Moment the valve receives a signal, it would take some time to open up. That is a time lag. Signal transmission from transmitter from the controller to the valve would require some time, and processing that signal would require some time. That is the transmission lag. So these are time lags which are all involved with the system. This is called a time lag. Sensor time response. In process sensors, output lags behind the input process value that is being measured. Sensor output changes smoothly from a moment a change in measurement value occurs, even if the disturbance is sudden or continuous. Even though the temperature suddenly decreased from 10 degrees to 20 degrees to 10 degrees, my sensor would still take some time to register that complete change. So that change is sensor called sensor time response. So there is a sensor time response involved with all sensor readings. Okay? You can look at the formulas but not required. Now first order lag is the most common type of time element encountered in the process system. We could go a little deep into it but not required. This is all that is required for process controls on loop. Next we will be going to tuning of process controls. One of the most important parts, cascade control loop. Two questions always on this. So up till this now we have only discussed single loop feedback control. Now we will be looking at cascade control, ratio control. There is also always a question on ratio control. And feed forward control loop. I think we can take a 5-minute break. My throat is totally slick. 5-minute break and then we can start again.